Hello, I'm Rasta, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up and use Phoenix additional feature. First thing to do is to import additional feature package. After import you will find all AFPS in metapro SDK scripts folder. Phoenix uses our metapro smart contract to convert one token to another. You can drag and drop metapro Phoenix prefab to scene. When the player is logged into your game, it's a matter of enabling Phoenix object. It will prompt availability of token transfer. After opening conversion, it will show if player has enough tokens available for conversion. In this case, we don't have that particular token. But I prepared order conversion with an ID of 4, so after changing it in Phoenix script, it will be possible to make conversion. Now we can see that player has enough of tokens and can allow for conversion. After clicking on that button, player will be prompted in wallet to allow conversion via smart contract. Then, next button shows to actually proceed with token conversion. After successful conversion, screen will appear with information about tokens and the amount that were taken and given to player. You are ready to use token conversion in your game.